To begin making our miniature rose bush, we're going to cut out 16 to 18 little mini spirals using the free pattern on sweetbriersisters.com. You're going to cut them out of whatever color you want your rosebuds to be, and you are going to start kind of spinning them up into a little swirly rose using the smallest tail to begin with. And as you spin up your rose, you are going to add a little bits of hot glue to hold it together. You'll just repeat this with all of your little spirals until you have about 16 to 18. It depends how full you want your rose bush to be. And I really like using this fine tip Shore Bonder glue gun for this. It just puts out this really great fine line of glue so that it doesn't ooze out of your flower and show those goopy hot glue marks once you're done. Next, we're going to cut out our leaves. Again, just whatever color you want the leaves of your bush to be. I'm using this soft green color. And you are going to cut out one leaf for every flower that you made, plus a couple extras. Once you've got all of your leaves cut out, you can put a little dot of glue in the center there, place it on the bottom of one flower, and kind of pinch it as the glue dries to give your leaves a little bit of dimension so they're not just flat on the bottom of each flower. And you'll go ahead and you'll put one leaf on the bottom of every single flower. Once you have all of your flowers made, you're going to take a 2-inch styrofoam ball and press in the bottom just to make a little indentation so it can stand up straight. I am just gluing each flower to the ball. Make sure that you're rotating where the leaves are so that it looks like there's kind of leaves um, all around all of the flowers instead of just all in one spot. You'll want to make sure that also the flowers are kind of glued to each other too, so that it covers all of the spots on the styrofoam ball. You shouldn't be able to see the styrofoam ball at all. And as you get to the bottom, you'll also want to make sure that you're placing the flowers so that the ball can still stand up nice and straight on your flat surface. If you have any open places where you can see the styrofoam ball, you can just stick a couple extra leaves in there. And once you have all of your spots filled, you are finished and you can add it to your final project.